Seriously. We have to rush because we have to pick up the kids in 45 minutes. Okay, quick.
Hey, it's Chris and Jackie.
Today, we're gonna go over our real estate photo checklist. And
we're gonna eat cookies. Not just any cookies. These cookies. One thing we do a lot of is real estate. Photo, video, drone. And one of the most important things for a seller to realize is what they need to do to prepare their home to be photographed to sell.
One thing that we send to our clients is a real estate photo checklist. It's very important because it gives you all of the things that you need to do to prepare your house before we come to take photos or video. And we thought we would go over that today.
There'll be a link below. I think there might be one right here as well you can click on.
No, don't put a link above my head. That's weird. Before the day of the photos, we ask that you make sure your landscapers are not coming the same day. I've shown up to houses and they're blowing and mowing in front of the house and we can't take photos and we have to stand there and wait.
Now let's keep in mind also, like we're in South Florida, so everybody has a landscaper down here and they all have certain weeks that they will hit an entire neighborhood. When we're doing a realtor intro, there's nothing worse than knowing, oh, it's lawn day because you're going to hear blowers for hours and hours and hours in the background.
But that being said, if you have control over setting it after the house is landscaped, that is best. The worst is coming to a house and the grass hasn't been trimmed in 2 weeks and now we have knee-high grass and we need to photograph the front of the house. Clean up any debris, leaves, blow the leaves off the driveway. Any of that kind of stuff should be done the day before I come to take photos. For the interior, if you have any light bulbs that are burnt out, change them. Any photos that you have should be removed so that when people see the photos from the listing, they're not looking at your family photos. You want to keep that kind of stuff private. Declutter each room. Take things off of all the countertops. Put away appliances. Clean the windows. Clean the mirrors. There is nothing worse than seeing a gross bathroom mirror. Please clean your mirrors. Remove the magnets from the refrigerator. A lot of people forget to do that. The less clutter you have on your countertops and in your home in general, the better. Things in a photo tend to stop the eye from moving forward. So if you have less things, then your eyes look forward and the room just generally will look bigger.
Well, you also have to think about it from the buyer's perspective. If you're looking at a new space, the last thing they want is to see your junk in what is going to be their space. It's like, oh, look at all that junk instead of seeing a wide open, beautiful, empty room.
You also want people to envision their style in your space. So removing towels and pillows and things will help to let people imagine their own belongings there versus what your style may be.
Did you wash your hair?
No, I didn't wash my hair. I'm washing it tonight. Don't put that in the video. Does it look that bad?
It's going to be in the video.
So then the day of the photos, we ask that cars are removed from the driveway and we ask that they are parked at least 2 houses away. Sometimes people move their car, but they put it in front of the house and then that kind of defeats the whole point of taking the front of the house photo. Also, when we fly drone, we're flying very far away. So the more open the area is in front of the house, the better. Garbage cans put away.
When you're scheduling this, know that you're scheduling it when it's not trash day in your neighborhood. As we're doing drone and we're seeing vistas of the entire neighborhood, there's nothing worse than seeing trash cans lined up all the way down the street and in front of your property as well.
Also, picking up after your pet. The thing that I really dislike the most is going to take photos of someone's backyard and stepping in their dog's business. That is
Clean
not
up
fun.
the business. Clean.
Please, that's just for me. It's really not for the photos.
It's for the world.
It's just
Clean
so I don't
up the
step
business.
in it. Clean the pool and then remove the vacuum out of the pool. If we have that hose in the middle of the pool. It just makes the pool look kind of cluttered and makes it look smaller. Remove your security signs out front. We don't need everybody on the MLS to know what security company you're using. For the interior, the little area rugs that you have in front of your doorways, remove those. Towels from the bathroom. All this stuff out of the shower. Oftentimes people have all the bottles and the soaps and everything, and that generally just kind of clutters up.
In a situation where the owner isn't at the property at the time it's being photographed, it's kind of gross for you or anybody else to have to move those things. It's best that you put that all away.
Especially right now with COVID, it made it harder for us to be able to touch things and move things. Hide your garbage cans if you have like a garbage can that just sits inside the kitchen, not in a cabinet, if you can hide that. Pet food and water bowls. Again, replace burned out light bulbs. It's in there twice because people still have burned out light bulbs. Please replace your light bulbs. It just looks nicer when all of the lights are lit up. Turn on all lights, open all blinds, and turn off fans. That is the big three. When I walk inside the house, people generally ask me, what can I do? And I say, turn on the lights, open the windows, and turn off the fans.
But some blinds are tricky, aren't they? Like, people have like little tricky things that they have to do to open some. You've been in situations where you haven't been able to open a blind, or you.
It's usually the reverse. We go to open the blinds and they fall on us. That has happened.
That's fun.
To me and numerous realtors that I work with. We go to open the blinds and the entire thing just falls on your head. So yeah, if they're open ahead of time and we can see through the window into, what is your backyard or your front area or just a nice side yard, it looks nicer than just seeing the blinds there.
So this is the list. You can get it. The link is below. Might be up here. Who knows? Click on it. It'll take you right to this list, and that's going to help you get your house prepped. Okay. Cookies. These cookies come from sweetandsavorygourmetgifts.com, Lake Worth, Florida. And actually comes with little heating instructions. You're supposed to heat this up.
The information will be below, but they didn't send us the cookies.
No. Big shout out to Miss Amy's Music. If you have a toddler, baby, and you're looking for a Mommy and Me music group, she's the best. Our children are 6 and 8 right now, and they have not forgotten Miss Amy and love and adore Miss Amy. And anytime we get a chance to see Miss Amy, we do. And I saw her recently, and she brought us these cookies because she knows we like cake. If you want to go to one of Miss Amy's classes, the link is below. Check her out. Do it. It's as big as my hand. It is. It's as big as my hand.
I think we need to cut them in half.
I'm going to cut this way?
Yeah, cut them in half. And then we'll try one at a time.
Oh, that one's dense.
Oh my gosh.
A little resistance there, too.
Are we trying one at a time?
Holy moly.
So
why don't we have a food camera set up?
So, look at the inside of these things. They are
amazing.
Okay, here, wait. Let's show. That was the brownie. So then show them this one.
Oh my goodness, that looks creamy in there.
And then this is the apple, probably cinnamon kind of thing. There. Oh my gosh. This one. Oh my gosh. So this is like apple cinnamon pie in a cookie.
It's like a cookie pie. Oh, cookie pie.
Aww.
The card theme is all cheese. So they must have some cheese going on down there too. You gonna eat this whole thing? All right.
This is so good.
Oh, wait a minute, stop now.
All right, last bite. This one?
Yeah, it looks like it's a cookie on top of there too.
That's an amaretto cookie. What's that thing called?
An amaretto cookie.
Oh. Like a jam or like a jelly.
I can't believe how much of this you eat.
We need milk.
You want milk?
Okay, the brownie. Oh my god. I like a s'mores brownie.
There's so many layers in that thing. I really like chocolate and brownies and stuff, but I'm gonna go apple cinnamon, amaretto,
Really?
and this chocolate mess. Yeah.
Really?
What's yours?
Apple cinnamon, then the chocolate, whatever this is, and then the amaretto. Wow.
All right. If you have any cakes or sweets or anything you want to promote or you send out, send them to us. We'll put your links down here below, and you can help feed us as we talk about more things with photo and video for your business.
So can you stop the camera?
No, I want to watch you eat more.